Good morning, students. Welcome to the English classes once again. So, dear students, in the last class, we have finished your sixth chapter, that is adjective. That's why now we are proceeding to start the seventh chapter, that is adverbs. So, students, what are the adverbs? To understand it, let me show you a few examples of adverbs. So here student, two examples are given. Number one is Wahida ran fast and number two is please come here. So here student, you can see the words fast and here. These words they are actually giving us information about the verb come and ran. It is telling us how the works has been done in these sentences, how the verbs has been accomplished, and they are called adverbs, means the words which gives us more information about the verbs. So let me show you the definition of adverbs. So adverbs are the words that give us information about verbs are called adverbs. So students, adverbs are mainly of three types, and they are adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, and adverbs of time. So student, to understand these three kinds of adverbs, let me show you some some examples of each of these types so that it will become easier for you. So number one is Uma yawned sleepily. Second example is Farid was sitting upstairs. And number three, we reached our school early. So here student, in the first example, if you question it that how did Uma yawn, the answer will be sleepily. So it is the verb yawned has been described by the word sleepily, means it is giving us more information about the verb, and it is telling us that how yawning has been done. Okay, then Farid was sitting upstairs. So where was Farid sitting? He's sitting upstairs. So here the basic information has been given by the word upstairs about sitting, and it is telling us the place that where was he sitting. Then number C, we reached our school early. So when did we reach school? Early, right? So here the verb reach, it has been described by the word early. So you can see the first example here, the adverb sleepily, it is telling us the manner, means how the work has been accomplished. Then number two, the adverb upstairs, it is telling us that where the verb is accomplished. And number three, it is telling us here in number three the adverb is early, and it is telling us when the verb has been accomplished. So students, these are the examples. These three examples you can see show us the three different kinds of adverbs. First one is adverb of manner, second one is adverb of place, and third one is adverb of time. So here let me show you the definition of each of these three kinds of adverbs. So number one, adverbs of manner tells us how an action was or is done. Number two, adverbs of place tells us where an action takes place. And number three, adverbs of time tells us when an action takes place. So these are the three basic types of adverbs. Now student, in the last class we have learned about adjectives, and now we are reading about adverbs. And you may have some confusion between the two, as both the things they gives us additional informations. But student, let me tell you that please don't be confused between the two, because adverb tells us more about verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. On the other hand, adjective tells us more about the noun. The students, adjective only describes the noun, but the other things in a sentence like the verbs, other adjectives or other adverbs are described by the adverb. So here in adverb I have put an example, that is Preeti jumped high in the air. So it is here the adverb is high, which has been describing the verb jumped. So it is an adverb. But again this almost the same sentence in number 2 in adjective, that is the wall is too high to climb. Here it is the verb high is the adjective here, because it is describing the noun wall. Okay, and here it is describing the verb. So adverb mainly describe the verb, adjective or other adverbs, but adjective only describes noun. So please be sure between the two, don't make any confusion in between them. So students, these are the basic informations on adverbs. And one more thing to say, that most of the time we form adverbs by putting ly to the adjectives. Like if you say slow, we will make it slowly. Then thankful, thankfully. Means most of the time we put ly at the end of adverbs. Means adverbs sometimes consist of ly at the end also. So these are the certain basic things which we need to discuss about adverbs from this chapter. So we will not proceed with any other information, because this much will be enough for you. So let me show you the exercises of adverbs for all of you. So here the first exercise is given, that is number A. And here the question is, underline the adverb in each sentence and write it under the correct heading. So you can see student here, 8 sentences are given and we have to find out. First we have to underline the adverbs in these sentences, then we have to put them in correct headings as according to manner, place or time. So in the first sentence the adverb is late, and here it is adverb of time. Then in number 2 the adverb is slowly, and it is the adverbs of manner. Then in number 3 the adverb is early, which is adverb of time. The number 4, here the adverb is yesterday, which is adverb of time again. Then in number 5 the adverb is away, which is adverb of place. The number 6 the adverb is happily, which is an adverb of manner. In number 7 the adverb is everywhere, which is adverb of place. And number 8 the adverb is outdoors, which is also an adverb of place. Now let's go to the next exercise, that is exercise number E. Here student, some adjectives and adverbs are given. We have to just complete this table. So let me show you. So the first word is an adjective, warm, and its adverb is warmly. The number 2, the adjective is playful and its adverb is playfully. The number 3 adverb is given, that is proudly, and its adjective will be proud. The number 4 the adjective is clean and its adverb will be cleanly. The number 5 the adjective is beautiful, whose adverb will be beautifully. Number 6 adverb is given, that is gracefully, and its adjective will be graceful. The number 7 is excited, whose adverb will be excitedly. The number 8 the adjective is great, whose adverb will be greatly. The number 9 its adjective is wise and its adverb is wisely. The number 10 adjective is foolish, whose adverb is foolishly. Number 11 it is lazy, whose adverb is lazily. The number 12 it is separate, which adverb is separately. Number 13 it is careful, whose adverb is carefully. And number 14 is merry, whose adverb is merrily. Then let's proceed to the next exercise, that is number F, where student you have to tick the correct work in the alternatives which are given in the brackets of these sentences, and beside them we have to write whether these uh, mm, um, answers are whether these correct words are adjective or adverb. So let me show you the answers. So number 1, the word is beautifully and it is an adverb. In number 2, Reena patted the baby gently on its back, means the word is gently, which is an adverb. In number 3, the little girl was sad, so I comforted her, it is adjective. Number 4, Seema replied quickly to the teacher's question, it is adverb. The number 5, the road was not smooth, so Papa drove slowly, it is an adjective. The number 6, Arabic is not an easy language to learn, it is adjective. Then number 7, it is a hot day today, the sun is shining brightly, it is an adverb. 8, Nitin is proud of his trophies, here it is an adjective. And the last one, that is number 9, the cat is sleeping comfortably on the big sofa, here the here the word is comfortably, which is an adverb. So students, please note down the answers of these exercises in your book itself. No need to write them down once again in the copies. So please note down the answers of these exercises in your books, and I hope that you have understood the topics, important topics related to the adverbs, and there is no doubt, but still if you have any confusion you may clarify it in the offline classes. So with it here, let me finish my today's discussion. Again we shall meet on Friday, where I will show you the the preposition, means where I will discuss the topic preposition. So as for now, this is the end. Thank you so much.